This is the WeGo 2, Pioneer's easy-to-use introductory DJ controller. It is a dedicated iPad, iPhone controller for use with DJ2. To get started, download DJ2 from the App Store to your device. The WeGo 2 is easy for anyone to set up. Just a few cables and you are playing music. Plug in your included USB cable into the WeGo 2 and the other end into a USB wall charger. Plug it in and turn the WeGo 2 on. Various buttons and the platters will light up, showing your WeGo 2 is now on. Next, plug in your connector cable to the back iOS device port. Plug in your iPad or phone and rest it in the stand. Open the DJ2 app. The Pioneer DJ logo means you are connected. You have two options for audio playback: RCA speaker outputs or headphones. Once you're all plugged in, you are ready to go. Let's familiarize you with WeGo 2's layout. Your headphones connect right next to your on-off USB port. Browse and load buttons are for searching and selecting music. Play Q buttons are used for starting and stopping music playback. Shift engages secondary commands. The volume faders adjusts the level of sound. The jog wheel is used for scratching, changing effect parameters, and pitch bending. The tempo slider speeds up or slows down the music. The EQ changes the tonality of sounds. The jog effects buttons engage various effects. Hot cue set and play back stored points in the song. Auto loop, the knob used to engage and adjust loops. Now it's time to load music. DJ2 will access music from your device's existing music library. By pushing down the Browse button, your library will appear. Turn the knob to scroll through your library. Once you find your song, you can load it to either deck using the load buttons. Raise the volume on the decks using the channel faders to hear the music. You can choose where to begin the song by pressing the Q button and setting a starting point. When you press the play-pause button, the music will start or pause. With one song playing, you mix in another song by bringing up the volume faders of one deck and bringing down the other. Another option for mixing is to use the crossfader to go from one deck to the other while both volumes faders are turned up. Notice how the two songs are offbeat. In the next section, we'll show you how to match the beats together. To successfully beat match, you must match the tempos of two songs. You can do this using a combination of the tempo slider and/or the side of the jog wheel. Once the beats are matched, you can mix in the new song using the volume fader. The crossfader may also be used. As you progress in beat matching, you can stylize it by using the EQ. You can choose from 5 effects. To turn on the effects, press one of the effects buttons above the jog wheel. Then, using the jog wheel, adjust the parameters. You can use multiple effects at once. To turn off the effects, press the same effects button again. Hot cues are the 4 buttons below the jog wheel. Hot cues allow you to mark points in the song. Press the first hot cue to set a point, and press that button again to go back to that point. Hold down the shift button, and then press the hot cues to delete them. The sync button allows you to automatically match 2 songs together. While playing a song, begin playing a second song with a different tempo. Press the sync button by the jog wheel of the new song. The song tempos will now match and are ready to mix. Watch how the sync button is used in a mix. Looping is the ability to repeat a section of the song. Press the auto loop knob in to start a loop. To shorten it, turn the knob to the left. To lengthen, turn it to the right. To end the loop, press the auto loop knob down again. By moving the jog wheel while the song is playing, you can emulate vinyl record scratching. Now let's put this all together. It's time to DJ. As you become more experienced in DJing, Pioneer has a full line of DJ products that are perfect to graduate to.